Is your game lagging, crashing, or running like a potato? It might not be your hardware. Check your drivers. Most people forget that their GPU, Nvidia, AMD, or even Intel relies on software, the drivers, to talk to your system and games. Outdated or buggy drivers, boom, FPS drops, black screens, even full system crashes in some cases. Let's fix that in 3 minutes. So, what is a GPU driver? It's the middleman between your graphics card and your operating system. It tells your operating system how to use your GPU correctly. No driver, no display. So, in case of a modern operating system, no drivers actually mean drivers that don't perform quite as well. Still not okay. Why update drivers? They can fix bugs, boost performance in newer titles, and even patch security holes and even unlock new features sometime. But first, let's kill this myth. You don't always want the latest and greatest driver, especially if you are not running the latest generation hardware. Here's why. GPU manufacturers like Nvidia and AMD release drivers for new games, but sometimes they break performance for older titles you actually play. And usually, drivers are focused for latest generations and making the newer GPUs more stable and iron out bugs. And when you do update, do it the right way. You don't need shady tools that can cause black screen or blue screens. Follow just these steps. Check the manufacturer's website, go to the download sections, pick your GPU model and see what the newest driver offer. They all have a release log or what's new or what's fixed section, and check if it mentions anything about the games you are playing, bugs you have personally encountered, or even things about your GPU model. If nothing applies to you, I'd skip it or at least wait a couple of weeks just in case. If it was a bad drivers or if it had major bugs, manufacturers usually come up fast with a fix or a new release. You don't need to suffer. Also, use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, before installing new drivers. This removes all traces of old drivers that could cause conflicts. Most people skip this and wonder why they get stuttering or errors. But the biggest secret? Sometimes just rolling back to an older driver can give you better performance than the newest one. A lot of the time, if when you play an older game or if your hardware is not the latest generation, the latest and greatest software update is just not optimal for your scenario. If your screen finally stopped glitching, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Do you have any other questions about driver errors or black screens? Drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more non-fluff tech fixes.